Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't already, please remember to click the subscribe button. Please remember to like, comment and share with all your friends. Come along with me on this journey. Today I am going to be doing a DIY project. Yes, you guys know I love DIY projects. I have one where I did a marble countertop, and today I'm gonna be DIYing an ottoman. Yes, an ottoman. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you what it looked like in a few seconds. It's actually not mine, it's Rochelle's. You have seen her in some of my videos. So she asked me to come and DIY her things because she knows I love DIY and I do a lot of DIY projects, so I'm here to do it. She has this old tattered ottoman that she's had for some time now. We're gonna recreate it and make it look brand new and fresh again. So come along with me. Come along, come along, come along. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let me tell the people a little something real quick. 1, 2, 3. I love that woman. She cannot shallow. She independent. Mercy and love.
Alright guys, so we started out with this already existing ottoman, which is very old, very ugly, quite distasteful. It was stored in a back room. So when Rochelle reached out to me and said she needed some help with revamping this, I was so happy because this was an eyesore, and I was so excited because I knew the potential it had. And to start, I purchased this metallic silver paint and primer from Rochielin. It's between 800 to 900 Jamaican dollars, which would be the equivalent to 5 to 10 US dollars. Got it in Rapid True Valley here in Jamaica. You can get it at any hardware store in whatever country you're in. And this particular primer and paint combination can be used on wood, metal, plastic and other type of materials. So yeah, I just kept spraying until it was all covered. And then after I gave it a light coat, then I just stood back for about a minute or so, because this paint and primer combination dries so quickly. I didn't need to wait half an hour or an hour or anything like that. So I stood there for a minute, allowed to dry a little, and then I went in again to give a second coating just to make sure that it is all even. And in 2 minutes or so it was dry and it had absolutely no smell. I thought there would have been a smell, but there was no smell even when I took it inside. So we're halfway there. We just finished spraying the base of the ottoman. So now I'm about to add the top part to make it cute. So let's go. So now I'm gonna put this really nice fluffy rug that we bought some time ago over it. And let's look how this already transformed it. Like already. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach this to the bench by using a staple gun. I have this Stanley staple gun here that I bought from Amazon, so it's gonna be a handy dandy tool for today. And it came with staples as well. So that's how we're gonna attach this thing. So at this point, all I try to do is measure the area of the ottoman against the area of the rug to ensure that it can fit around comfortably on all 4 sides. And then I tend to turn the ottoman upside down and then begin to use the staple gun to staple everything in place. So as soon as I'm done stapling everything in place, then all I do is turn it back up on its 4 feet and we've got a beautiful ottoman. Alright. This is so pretty! Alright guys, so there you have it. This is our DIY ottoman. You see, it went from looking like that to this. I am so happy with how it turns out. Come here, Rochelle. Tell me how you liking it.
I love it.
What is your pose? She posing.
Love.
Yeah, it looks really nice. I love it. I said that was simple and easy. So you guys, if you have some old things around your house, listen, in 2019, nobody knows how ugly house don't cute. No. You don't even house. You can do so much. You can make the
much with your old
yeah, you can make a space look so nice by just coming up with an idea. So much with so little. You have no idea. Like this, literally this rug was less than $10 US. I found it in a store when I went to Florida last time. And I bought it for Rochelle. And look what we turn it into. We turn it into this. It's our ottoman that she had before that was just so ugly. A tin of spray paint that cost 800 Jamaican dollars, 5 US. Like, and we get this and it looks so nice. There's no reason for you to have ugly space. You can just get creative and make some things. Like, this is really nice. I thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you being here. And you see the videos growing, the videos coming, so you keep up your support, keep up the comments, the likes, share with all your friends, tell them to come check out Rochielin channel. I love them, I appreciate them, and see you next time.